problem is you have to jack up a car in a mobile setting like this, where you're outside. When you use the factory jack point on the vehicle, the jack is occupying that space, and there's really no place to put a conventional jack stand like that. In a mobile setting, carrying 4 of these jack stands are very big and clumsy to haul around. Another consideration is that they're kind of sharp and will damage epoxy floor or tile floor. Another really bad thing is once the jack point is occupied by the floor jack, you can't really put this underneath the rocker panel or subframe or anything like that, because if you lower the car, it will damage components, which is not acceptable. So the solution is the AGA Tools Jack Rod. This is a super simple, easy to use mechanical device that holds up your existing floor jack. Let me show you how it works. As you see here, we're using the vehicle's factory designated jack point. You should never jack up a vehicle from other locations because it could damage rocker panels, subframes, and other structural components on the car. Now that we have the vehicle up, you can see the front wheel completely in the air. The rear wheel has lots of clearance under it. And even at that point, a conventional jack stand can't come under the other jack point on this side of the vehicle. You should never get under the vehicle and only rely on the hydraulics of any jack. So here we have the jack rod. As you can see, it mechanically installs like this and supports the vehicle in just 1 second. Should the jack come down, you see here, it immediately clicks into the location and creates a 100% mechanical support. The jack rod is 100% mechanical. It has an indexing hole every inch of the travel on its way up. So you just collapse the jack rod, insert it into the floor jack, release it down. It fits about 90% of the floor jacks on the market. If you lower the jack like this, you'll see it just clicks into the first available hole and mechanically supports it. As you can see, the jack rod is way smaller, way more compact, way lighter than a conventional jack stand. It easily travels to the track, mobile service, or whatever environment you want to use it in. In addition to that, it allows a conventional floor jack to stay on the factory jack point.